welcome to another video, guys. I have got some new lighting. What do you think? Is it looking better than my previous videos? Let me know in the comment section below. But today we're going to be doing another spooky Halloween themed design. This one in orange and black, and as you can see, wrong hand, I've already got my tips on. These are the Macart coffin shaped ones. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. So for the thumb and this finger, we're going to be putting on a dark grey. For this one and this one, we're just going to be putting on a clear base, and then this one we are going to be putting on a skin coloured one. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. Now obviously, if you get any gel on your skin, as you can see there that I have, you are going to want to clean that off before you cure your nails. So I'm just going to clean up that side, and we are going to put the nails in to cure. See you in a second. Okay, so that layer on these nails have cured. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting orange pigment on the two clear nails here. I have some orange pigment that I have mixed up by here, and we are just going to brush that on. I probably might not have enough and may have to make some more. So we get that and we work it in. Then you will want to brush off the excess, and then we are going to do the same to the first finger. I'm going to have to make some more, which is fine. Brush off the excess like that. Now we are going to be, just like totally knock the camera. We are now have to put another base coat on these two because I want to do a second layer of orange so it is nice and thick. We're going to be putting a black glitter on top of this one, a second coat of the peach, and then a black glitter on the thumb as well. So let's get cracking. And then put it back in the bottle. And then just like this one, oh my god, look at that glitter, it is stunning. We're going to do the same for the thumb. Let's not get my other fingers into the wet polish that I've got on my nails. I'm also trying to not have like massive quiet gaps, because a lady that has watched my videos, thank you very much Ash, gave me a bit of advice that I have a habit of starting to speak and then suddenly going quiet, and to maybe try and do something, to prevent that along with the lighting. So I just want to say thank you very much. Again, I've got some on my skin there. You are going to want to clean that off before you cure your nails. I just love it. So I'm going to clean that off, cure it, and I'll be back. So they are all cured. So now we are going to, I've got some orange pigment. We're going to put orange pigment on these two nails here again. So they have a second coat. Being careful not to get pigment on the other ones because they are sticky. Make sure we get all the sides on top like that. And we brush off the excess. And we do the same to this one. Now I know it kind of looks like a different colour. It's just that the pigment I'm putting on is dry, and the pigment that is on the nail has the base coat on, which is still a bit damp because it's sticky, which is why it looks different. Right, so we are back. Now we are going to stick some, I don't want to say stickers because they're not stickers, some transfers on. So I've got them cut out off to the side. I have my sponge and a little bit of water. So what I do is, we're going to start with the little one first, and I want to put these bats on. So what I do is I turn it over on my finger. I have a sponge with some water on. I hold it on there for 10 seconds, and then I'll peel the backing off and it'll be stuck on my finger, and then I can put that on the nail. So I will do the first one in real time so you can see. So as you can see, I've got it on my finger, and then I've got the wet sponge on there, and I just hold it on here like this for a few seconds. Well, I'm saying a few seconds, like 10 seconds, just to allow the water to soak through that paper. Spridge it down, dripping water everywhere. The camera doesn't know what to focus on my hand, my nail, or the sponge. Then we remove the sponge, and as you can see there, like I said, it just slides right off and you're left with the design. And then you pick the nail that you want it to go on, which will be my little pinky. Make sure we put it the right way round, and we basically just transfer it off of our finger onto the nail. Obviously you want to try and be careful where you're putting these. That top one kind of separated from the bottom one, so there's a bit of a gap. So I'm just trying to move it back down so it's more in position, as you can see there, and we're just going to do the same to the other nails, which I will do off camera, and I will be back once they're on. Right, so now we have the stickers on this one, which are little bats, and we have a pumpkin right at the bottom of this nail here. Now on my plate I have a tiny bit of black polish, don't need a lot, and I have my small detail brush, and on this nail here I'm going to attempt being the operative word, to draw a spider's web. So sort of so here's one line. So we are back. Now this design here, I do want to make it a mix of both matte and shiny. So this nail, and this nail, to start, we're going to make them completely matte, and the two glittery black ones we are going to make shiny. And we will cook that and we will be back. So here we go. As you can tell, the one difference between the shiny, because you can see the light shining off of that, to the matte ones, you can hardly see any. Now to mix this up, over this pumpkin, just this pumpkin here, over the black outline I did for the spider's web and the little bats, I'm going to go over just them sections with a shiny top coat. Like so. And then we're going to put these nails in to cure again. So we are back. As you can see, the orange is matte, black shiny, matte, pumpkin shiny. This is all shiny, orange matte, black shiny, and obviously our thumb is all shiny. Now to finish it off, I did get these adorable pumpkin 3D charms, and we are just going to pop one of these adorable pumpkin charms on our thumb. I'm going to be attaching this using a little bit of nail glue, and I've decided I want it roughly in the middle of my nail. So we just put a nice dollop, we get our charm, put my nail this way so I can sort of see it a bit better, and we put it on sort of roughly where we want it, in the middle. And you're going to want to hold it there for a good 10 seconds, I would say. Like so. And now that is on there, and we left the nail all shiny because the charm is matte, so it still goes in line with our matte versus shiny nails. Oh, I just put my finger in something there. So yeah, so I hope you like this design, and wow, when I put my hand like that, it makes it look like my nails are all wonky. They're not. They're on straight. Look, if I do this, you can see that they're on. But yeah, when I do it like that, my fingers do not want to look right. So yeah, if you like this design, then yeah, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.